The fall is seed saving time. And so right now going into the fall, I am on the lookout for some very special seeds I want to save for my garden. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. So while I'm out foraging right now, I am also checking out the asparagus. Nope, it's not time to eat asparagus. But when I find the red berries, I like to save them and use them for my garden. Once the fruit of the asparagus, the little red fruit, has turned red and started to soften, you can go ahead and start collecting seeds. Once you collect them, you're going to remove that fleshy coating, rinse the seeds, and dry them thoroughly before storing in a cool, dry place. These seeds will remain viable for up to 3 years. It is the male asparagus plants that produce the edible spears and the female asparagus plants that produce the red berries. You can go ahead and plant the seed out and then transplant your little asparagus seedlings. They look so pretty. They're just like little ferns. Or you can just take the seed that you collect this time of year and throw it in your garden so that you can have asparagus later in the year. It's 2 to 3 years before you can get a harvest from your asparagus. So anytime you can get free seed and get started is the time to start asparagus. And remember, it does produce for 25 to 50 years after you get it firmly established. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so I know what kinds of things to make more content of.